Hi guys, Renee here. Hope you're having a great day. So I want to show you guys a new project that we are working on today. This is actually my first time doing this, so hopefully it goes well. So we thought we would bring you along with us on the journey. So what we're doing today is embroidering on a backpack. So we're going to embroider a name across the front here. And what you'll need for this project today, I am using my fast frames, and this is tacky backing to attach to the fast frame, and also some clips, just some mini clips to secure it. So the first thing I'm going to do is change this frame, and the fast frames comes in several different sizes, and this what I had on here now is from when we were embroidering socks about a week ago. So what you do is just take this black knob off, unscrew it, and you're going to take the old frame off. And I'm going to use this frame today. It's wider than the other one to accommodate the name. So I'm just going to slip that on and put the knob back. Then this is my tacky adhesive backing. So you just take the sheet off, and so this part is tacky and this part is not. So I'm going to put it down on my fast frame, the tacky side down, so that it will adhere to the frame. And then I'm just going to fold this over here to the back. Okay, so I got that all folded over. So what I'm going to do is attach this to my embroidery machine, and then I'll bring you back when I get all hooked up over there. Thanks. Okay guys, we're back. So I have the backpack attached to the frame on here, and basically what I did was I unzipped this top pocket and then use some binder clips to attach it to the fast frames. So I have my name up here already with the color selected. So we're just going to go through and make sure that I'm going to trace it and just make sure that there's no problem there. Okay, I'm going to trace it just one more time. I just want to make sure it doesn't so let me move that over just a little. Okay. All right, so I think we're good. I'm gonna definitely babysit it though, so we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. So we are done. And hopefully, oh boy, did that come out nice. Look at that. So we learned that embroidering on a backpack is not that hard after all. You can do it too. So thanks for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.